Hi friends, this is Andy from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest Asus A541U laptop. Now this basically is a graphic card variant of the X series. It is a Core i3, Core i5 or Core i7. The look will be absolutely same, and the colors that Asus has given is blue, silver, black, red and grey. So we are reviewing the blue variant over here. So the X variant does not look very different. If it is a blue one, it will be the same, but for some differences. The Asus A541 has got a glossy body, which we will show you in the video, about wherein the X series has a hairline finish. Basically it has a 40 watt adapter. Its power rating is 19 volt and 2.37 amperes. So this is a Core i3 with a graphic card variant, so we are expecting at least 65 watt adapters. This is the pin that comes along, the Asus standard charging pin connector. It does not have user removable battery, so the battery is inbuilt inside. You can go have a look at our disassembly video to basically look at what kind of battery it has. So this is the finish on the top panel, as you can see. This has got a blue turquoise kind of a color, glossy finish to be precise. The entire design is spread across on the panel. This is the maximum tilt angle, as you can see. Very beautifully designed. The color is very attractive. The maximum that it can tilt is around 140 degrees at the max. So this is the way it looks once opened up. As you can see, white keyboard and turquoise looking blue touchpad and palm rest area. The display panel we've shown is a glossy one, but the interior is entirely having a matte finish, so looks very attractive. First, it has got an anti-glare full HD screen. All the A series laptops have full HD anti-glare screens, so that is a good feature. And you can see the 3 noise cancellation mics over here, 1, 2 and 3. So that is another good thing to have for video calling and audio calling. Let me get the keyboard up close for you. It unfortunately does not have backlit keyboard. The power button is integrated in the keyboard itself, so white keyboard might get dirty, but it adds to the look and feel, the thing that most laptop owners look in their laptop. So as you can see, these are the function keys over here, all these functions that are integrated. The placement of shift enter is pretty neat. Enter would have been bigger, which we are used to, but that's fine, we'll manage. And this has got a good metallic finish, a hairline finish to be precise, as you can see. And the touchpad is quite huge. It's got a 7th generation Core i3 processor. Core i5 and Core i7 also is going to be 7th generation. It's got a 6th generation Core i3. Newer models of 7th generation is also going to be coming very soon, but the look will remain the same. The Core i5 and Core i7 are all 7th generation. The speaker is based over here, and you can see some good design element being added. These dots. Sonic Master approved speakers, dual speaker system, very loud and clear the speakers are. As you can see, there is this color difference which adds to the finish. It's not white precisely, it's light blue that they have made this, so very nicely designed. So here is where the surprise is. They have integrated a C-type connector. USB C-type connector is there. This is maybe the first laptop in this category of under 30-40,000 rupees in India to have C-type connector. Charging pin connector over here. Good amount of dissipation vent they have given, and you have a gigabit Ethernet port, VGA and HDMI. So that is a very good thing to have. USB 3.0 over here. USB 2.0 headphone mic combi, and basically a memory card reader over here. Nothing else apart from that. The LEDs are over here, the standby and the power charging LEDs are over here. And then have a DVD writer on the right, basically nothing else, basically only 2 USB ports, and you have a Kensington lock. So, and on the rear, basically nothing. You can see the battery is protruding. It's a 3-cell battery, but the design is such that it is protruding. So this is the way the base looks like. Not much dissipation vent being given by Asus, would have been advised. Only one over here, and some elevation you can get because of this curved nature of the battery. Pretty much straightforward and uncluttered design, to be precise. It's got this textured finish. It's the kind of texture that it has in the base. So this, my friends, was a video showing you the blue variant of the Asus A541U. This is the basic entry-level Core i3, Core i5 and Core i7 variant with graphic card variant that Asus has launched here in India. So they're coming in 5 colors basically, and this is the blue variant. Looks very neat and looks very catchy actually. The color combination is very good. Kudos to Asus for that. So you should know that it has only got 2 USB ports, one C-type connector USB port, yes, but you need to buy a C-type converter also. And it has got 4 GB memory on board soldered onto the motherboard, and it has 1 extra memory slot. So the maximum upgrade capacity of this laptop is around 20 GB. So 4 plus 16 GB is that what you can add to this particular laptop and make it 20 GB DDR4. And it comes in a variant of Core i3, Core i5 and Core i7. The Nvidia graphic card is 930MX graphic card. It comes by default with 24 months warranty. You can upgrade the warranty on the Asus website. All of them come with a full HD 15.6 inches anti-glare screen. So that is something that you should be very glad about. It does not have a backlit keyboard. The speaker quality is simply mesmerizing. We really don't have the option to actually showcase the audio quality over here through this particular medium, but believe me, this is the best speaker in class. 33 watt speakers is what they have given each, so the output is simply amazing. For the speaker, it is a 10 on 10, and the webcam quality is very good. The overall spec, features, and the price point with which it comes here in India is very attractive. So this is it, my friends. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and do let us know of your suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us. You can buy this laptop on our website techstore.co.in. Thank you so much.